Hey guys, Terry Brighton here from Brighton Racing in Wingham, Ontario. Something I don't have on the stand very often recently is a stock stroke small block. This one here is a 69 340 block. It's got a KB 243 pistons, X heads, not a whole lot more than stock. It has the Summit Racing, I gotta think of the number, SUM-1798. It's I think the biggest cam that Summit makes for flat hydraulic. But it's been a while since I've had a non-stroker on this stand. This one here is going in Perry White 72 dart, and it should feel right at home being a 340 and not dart. So let's try to start this thing up with one hand. Broke the cam in last night. Got the time set to 34. I was there at 900. It's got 273 style crane rockers on it, the adjustable one, and Jegs intake manifold. And there's Perry White's 69 340. Thanks for watching.